Ayan, good morning, good morning. Fishing po tayo dito sa Taka Lake. Ayan, time check 6:07. Equipment check po natin. Ating i-field test ang ating bagong fishing reel from Japan, Digitaka. Shimano Stradic FM 2500 HG shallow. And then rod po natin ay the one Rockfish. Ito po yung light version, 7 feet, 7.6 feet. Then ang main line natin ay Eastern Hunter Hydra, 10 pounds. Leader ay 20 pounds, ordinary monofilament. We'll be using lure from Chorinoya. I think this is 5 grams or 7 grams. And then upgraded knob from Gomexus. Try natin, baka maka strike agad.